Hey there guys, and welcome to the unboxing video of my new RAM that I just received. It is a Trident Z RGB from G.Skill. G.Skill is on the past few years, one of the RAM sellers that has actually become quite a staple for quality products and innovative design and interesting options, let's say. And this, as you can see, is the box it comes in. It's a 16 gigabyte kit with two modules. Uh, it is a 3600 megahertz model with 17 latency. Uh, there are a great variety of different speeds and module sizes and module amounts, as well as different latency timers. This model in particular, for example, it was available with 17 or 18 latency. The smaller modules, the 3200 and 3000 megahertz are available with like 14 or 15 timers. You have a lot of choice, as you will see, and I will first of all show you on their website. So this is the G.Skill landing page. From here you can go to products, desktop memory, and you will check here the different product families that they have. This is their new flagship, which well, looks are subjective and all, but it looks a bit tacky to be honest, but the performance is there. And this would be the one that I went for. You also have non-RGB versions, of course, and as you can see, you have a massive amount of products, a whole 8 pages with different speeds, as you can see, different timers, different module sizes, 8 gigabyte times 2, 8 gigabyte times 4, 16, 8 times 2, 8 times 4, and so on and so forth. So you do have a lot of choice in terms of what modules you actually want to go for. Now this is an example of one of those modules. You have all the specifications here on the website that you might need to know: voltage, latency, speed. And worth noting that all of their products have a lifetime warranty, unless you royally screw it up. It is a lifetime warranty. If they just stop working, you are pretty much covered, although that is quite rare with RAM, to be honest, and it just dies, but it can happen, and it's nice to be covered, as you can see. And this is basically an overview of all the features, the RGB support. As you can see from the design, it has a nice metal-y look to it, with their logo here, as well as a small piece on top, which is where the RGB strip is, that has a number of addressable LEDs that you can customize to your liking. Now, they have their own software, their own controlling software for these RAM modules. Well, they are overclockable, as you can see. They come with extra XMP profiles that you can enable at your BIOS to speed it up a bit more. And the big draw for these RAM modules, I am not sure if it mentions it here somewhere, but these modules are compatible with, I will just check on the download page actually. Yes, here it is. These modules, yeah, they do have their own controlling software, but they are compatible with LED control software, like for example ASUS Aura, RGB Fusion from Gigabyte, MSI, NZXT, all of that. You can control this RAM's Lightning through all of those softwares, so it's basically universally compatible with all major motherboard manufacturers to synchronize the light modes. And that is actually quite nice if you are planning to do an RGB build and you want to have things as compatible and synchronizable as possible. And now the unboxing itself. I will do my best to give you a good view, which might be a bit tricky with this crappy webcam that I do my videos with, but I will stand up to let you see. Well, it comes with the normal standard duct tape on top. Let us pull it open without destroying the box, hopefully. Here it is. And here we are. Now, it comes in a protective plastic cover inside the box, as you can see. You can just plop it open. It has a nice little sticker. If you're into that sort of stuff, I don't know why you would, to be honest, but it does. And here they are. Now it has also a sticker here at the back, which might be handy to keep in case of warranty problems or something, but otherwise it might not even be visible once you install it. It's up to you if you keep it or not. I don't recommend taking it off, but if it gets into the way of your aesthetic tastes, go for it, I guess. And yeah, this is basically what it looks like. It has a quite nice finish to it, a nice feel. I'm not sure how visible it is, but it has a nice little detail here between the two plates. It might not be very good. How about like this? Maybe? Perhaps. Resolution on this camera is not great, but you get the picture. And here you have the lit up area where the LEDs are that will light up, and as you saw, you can synchronize it with most RGB control softwares from several motherboards. Now I will nicely put it back into its little protective case because I cannot install them just yet, sadly, because I am missing a motherboard. And I have my eyes set on the motherboard already, but that motherboard in particular has had a bit of a price hike over the past 2 weeks-ish. So I do not really have the intention of paying an extra 25 to 50 euros for the same product when it will probably drop down to the price eventually and hopefully soon enough. So I cannot show you how to install them or show them in action just yet, but rest assured that I will do a full covering video of me putting that new build together. It's quite an expensive build. It is featuring a motherboard, the RAM obviously, as well as installing a new processor, plugging it all in, and doing some cable management on my desk. So hopefully that will come soon. In any case, this is what you can expect from when you order G.Skill Trident Z RGB modules. This is how it comes packaged. This is what comes included with it, which is all the modules and the little sticker. And yeah, as you can see, you have plenty of choice in what you can get for in terms of module sizes, speeds, frequencies, latencies, all that stuff. You have plenty of available packagings that you can choose. And yeah, it is a pretty renowned brand. It has become quite popular over the past few years. It's known for their quality. The lifetime warranty is a big plus, and you will often find modules, RAM modules from this manufacturer in a lot of high-end builds because they are quite good. They are very good, really. So I have not tried them yet, but from everything I read and everything I've seen, they seem to be a staple of quality, and also in terms of aesthetics and design, they are quite pleasing to the eye. So at the first glance, without having done testing myself, because like I said, I still have to do that when I get the motherboard, I at the first glance recommend these as far as personal taste goes, due to all the options that you have in terms of RAM specifications, plus the aesthetics of it, I recommend. And third, also very importantly, lifetime warranty. All the major manufacturers have it, so it would be silly not to go for one that also has it and is known for its quality anyway, like just in case something's wrong with your RAM, of course. Now, hope you enjoyed the video. It's just a short unboxing video, really, and I will show you guys soon, hopefully, how to install it, and I will review it a bit more in depth as it comes to performance and controlling the lighting and that sort of thing. This has been APC Guy, and I'll see you next time.